Husqvarna Chainsaws. Total Tools has a new range of OPE, a max battery system. It's the lithium-ion Power Axe Chainsaw. This thing is an absolute weapon. As you're seeing on screen right now, is very, very impressive. We also, though, haven't forgotten about the guys who love petrol, which also includes me. We've got the 130, which is a 38cc two-stroke chainsaw, and the 445, which is, as it sounds, 45cc. The 350i Power Axe has a couple of speeds you can choose from. You can see the panel there, and tool 3 chain tensioning. So there's going to be a cracking range of this in all Total Tools stores. Not forgetting the max battery system is exclusive to Total Tools. It's a ripping system. The saw is beautiful to use. For more details and specs, certainly hit the link. But we are today all about full use of the tools. So this is Husqvarna we're talking about. I shouldn't even be going on about it because you'll know about Husky. Husqvarna has a really good pedigree of high-end gear and top quality. Get in your local Total Tools, check it out now, or jump online, make yourself an order.